Hello, dear students. This is the part of the grammar class, and in today's lessons, we are going to deal with preposition. Uh, Before going into details about prepositions, I like to make it clear about the pronunciations of the word. This is not pronounced as prepositions as we are taught or we are in the habit of pronouncing it. Rather, it is pronounced as preposition. So, prepositions is a word placed before a noun or pronoun and that signifies a relations to that noun or pronoun. Prepositions in this way can be described as a different kinds of grammatical particles. Prepositions is considered to be a grammatical word rather than a lexical word, and the number of preposition is almost confined. It's confined to a particular number, so it is known as closed class system, the part of the closed class system. So let's come to the discussions of the kinds of preposition. Prepositions can be categorized into four types on the basis of its use and the structure. So, on the basis of its structure, we can have simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase prepositions or the prepositional phrase, and participle preposition. So, simple preposition is the prepositions that is simple in nature, and among the simple prepositions you have at, in, on, by, for, from, on, out, through, and among the compound prepositions you have above, about, across, between, among, amongst. So almost it's like a combinations of the two, a and about, like this. And the other forms, other kinds of preposition is the phrase prepositions or the prepositional phrase, and they are like for the sake of, with respect to, in pursuance of, in relations to, in response to, with regard to, in spite of, instead of, on account of, because of, owing to, as a result of. They are known as the prepositions phrase or the prepositional phrase. You have a good number of prepositional phrase indeed. And the other types of prepositions is participle preposition, like you can say considering, giving, notwithstanding, and also there are some other aspects like during, regarding, respecting, touching. So they are known as the participle prepositions. So in the next class we are going to deal with the prepositions in particular one by one. In the first class I like to deal with the use of at, in, and on. They are in fact the simple prepositions, and I have to deal with that. And before that, in the next video, just listen to the arbitrary nature of preposition. So we are going to deal with prepositions in detail, every aspect, and besides that you have to do your job, because there are certain prepositions where rules do not apply and you have to remember them as to which word takes which preposition. So you have to do a lot of job, at the same time we are going to read in detail, and I think within a particular time you can have complete mastery over the use of prepositions, and it will be quite helpful not just for the purpose of the examinations but for the purpose of your speaking and writing skill. Thank you so much.